Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back. Cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin right now is under the microscope, especially after yesterday. I think yesterday was quite an important event. I mean, we're still on the daily, on the daily close right now, on the daily perspective, which is kind of noisy. But I think yesterday the break below that bottom key level that we've mentioned so many times before, 34.62. was officially broken, and we saw price engage with that level just a week ago, and it actually failed. So that acknowledgement means that price, does have some respect to that key level as a support, and it did break it yesterday as expected, right? I actually expected that break, and at this point, it seems to me like things are going to go according to plan, which means price will push lower till it hits the previous low. The previous low could be a natural support, but it's not a strong technical element, right? So I actually think that it's pretty likely that price will crash that virtual support level and continue beyond that previous low, probably towards the 3,000 level. Let's take a look how deep that is. It's not that deep. Here it is, the 3,000 level. Now that's also quite kind of a natural support, right? Also quite a weak technical element. It's a round number, it's a thousand round number, so it could play some as a psychological barrier on the way down. But I also think that it might also be a valid price target for those of you who have short positions on the Bitcoin. Right now, the Bitcoin is definitely pointing downwards, but the story doesn't end here, because if you look at other coins, especially leading coins, you'll find the same exact signs, right? Negative sentiment all across board, coming from both the fundamental aspect and the technical aspect of it. So we should remain vigilant at this point, or aggressive on the downside with short positions. That's pretty much the game plan right now. As long as price remains below 34.62, that's a negative, right? That's a negative outlook. We're going to remain with the negative outlook. And of course, once we get that weekly confirmation by the end of the week, that's also going to reinforce our bearish outlook here. And of course, with the monthly close, that's going to be the last nail on the coffin. But right now, as you can see, negative momentum is rising. I'll come back to follow up on this one. I'll keep you posted. See you in the next video.